seeds. Stir them up.
Oh,
there we go.
No, there's hair in there.
What's up?
There's hair in there. Don't give them mine.
Don't help you with you.
Mine.
You don't want help with your pumpkin lay?
I just want to get in there and grab them with my hands.
It's too long.
Can I get one handful?
Ew, Mommy. Look, Mommy. Look,
I see. What's inside your
You
pumpkin?
have a seed on your shirt.
got a seed in there.
Oh.
Oh, don't poke a hole in it.
All right, I'm making a video. Do you want to say hi to Daddy? Lay. She's putting them back in.